So, welcome friends. We are again here with our new video. In that, we will discuss about the hard real time and soft real time. So, in the last video, we have seen GPOS, General Purpose Operating System, and RTOS. And in this video, we will talk about hard real time and soft real time. So, hard real time systems and soft real time systems are both used in the industry for different tasks. The primary difference between hard real time systems and soft real time system is that their consequence of missing a deadline differ from each other. So this is the important thing. The missing a deadline differ from each other. Okay. A hard real time system is used in systems that are time sensitive and must meet their deadlines in order to avoid disaster. Okay. On the other hand, the deadlines in soft real-time system are less restrictive, so that if they miss their deadlines, it does not result in disaster. So this is the basic difference between the real-time system and the soft real-time system, hard real-time and soft real-time. So if you see, the underlying part is the deadline part. In the case of hard real-time, it must complete their task in that particular time, whereas in the soft real time there is some flexibility in the deadline or completion of deadlines. Okay, so we have some examples of this hard real time and soft real time. uh, for example, railway signaling system, air traffic control system, nuclear reactor control systems, anti-missile systems. So these are the examples of real time, hard real time system where we cannot afford the missing of deadlines. Okay, if we miss the deadline, it may be a problem, it may be a disaster kind of thing. Whereas in the soft real time, the examples are DVD player, electronics games, multimedia system, web browsing, online transaction system, telephone switches, virtual reality, weather station, mobile communication, and extras, etc. So in this, you can see that in the soft real time, that is not that much important as compared to real time, hard real time system. And for example, if you take the multimedia example, it doesn't matter if it that particular task takes more time than the expected time. So if you miss the deadlines also, it doesn't affect it is, and it is not harmful for anyone. The common example of this is home appliances also, washing machine also we have seen. So in that also we use soft real time. So in case of if it miss the deadline also, it doesn't harm anyone. So we can distinguish these two, hard real time and soft real time, in this way. So I have summarized this hard real time and soft real time in this way. First is, it is that hard real time is very restrictive, soft real time less restrictive. Hard real time response time of hard real time system is in order of milliseconds. On the other hand, the soft real time response time of soft real time systems are not very stringent. So some flexibility or some marginal space is there, and if you complete your task in that marginal time, that also fulfills our requirement in case of soft real time. If we talk about third point, the peak load, the performance should be predictable and should not violate the predefined deadlines in the case of hard real time. We have seen example of anti-missile system, the time, how much critical the time is in that case. Suppose some enemy has fired the missile and we want to counter that missile. So that time, even a single millisecond is important. So we can understand the requirement of hard real time. On the other hand, the soft real time, the third point is, in a soft real time system, a degraded operation in a rarely occurring peak load can be tolerated. Means if we miss the deadlines also in soft real time, that doesn't affect, doesn't harm anyone, but that performance will be degraded. And we can understand with the example like washing machine. If it takes 10 seconds more, 10 seconds, or 30 seconds, or maybe 60 seconds, it doesn't harm anyone. So these are the basic differences. I try to convey my uh, the points related to hard real time and soft real time, and I hope this is we have understand very easily these two terminology of operating system. So thank you so much, guys. uh, Subscribe our channel, uh, press the bell icons. Thank you so much.